Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to get all the feature products that we have in Magento 2. If you don't know how to set the feature products, so you need to revise my video which we have added earlier. So you will check how to set the feature products. Okay, so here we are going to get all the feature products that we have set. So let's begin the tutorial. Here previous video the prices are not coming, that is the sale prices which you have added right now. Okay, so we will align it accordingly. Now let's going to add the future products. Okay, so let's begin the code where we have custom products code. Here I am adding get feature products. It is going to be filtered. We don't require it. Okay, leave if it is coming we can add it, but here we need to add one attribute. We need to add featured is equal to 1. Okay, so let's go to get feature products. Let's go to the custom product module. Here I'm going to add new one, that is featured products, featured products. And what's the collection name? We have get feature products. I'm going to add here get feature products, right? So let's copy this block and paste this block. Here we have featured products, right? So let's add. This is done. Let's release the code. Featured products. I'm going to looping it via for each. This one. This is done. Let's update the code. So let's run another command. Static content deploy. For that, let's run the permissions of static, and let's reload the page. Undefined variable now. Okay, if the variable now is undefined, custom products. Okay, now variable we don't define it. Let me copy this. Now, okay, so those PHP in Magento dash flush. It's done. Let's reload this. Feature products collection is empty. Let's go to the admin. Reload this if it is logged out. Admin 123 shift hash. Reload. Let's go to the catalog products. In the home page I think it is coming, so let's check the home page also. If it is there, then it should let's take the attribute. Go to the stores product. At which product? What is it? Product. So I think it is stores product. Okay, let's check the featured one. What is the code? Featured. Featured is there. So I've added the featured one. Featured. Featured to be yes. Then why it's not working? Let's remove this part. Required it. Featured attribute to filter. So here we have put the get feature products and product collection attribute base size, get product collection new products. Here we go. Feature product collection is coming out, right? These are the feature products. If you want to check, let's go and check. Let me go to catalog products. Okay, we need to search by product. So go to the catalog products. I'm going to search this product. Let's check featured, yes, right? So it is showing. So this is how we can get all the feature products, right? Now align this price also. It's not looking good. Font size 30 pixels. Font now it's right. So we have done the feature products also. I'm going to add in a custom product section CSS. Here we go. So we have done all the specs like feature products collection done, sales, new, and bestseller. So this is how we are done all these four categories of products. So I hope you will like this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment. Good day.